Whether an employee is working from home or in the office, there are regulations in place for the safety of workers. Both employers and employees have responsibility to confirm that electrical equipment is used safely and inspected. It is easier for an organisation to maintain electrical equipment in the workplace, but regardless of the location, maintenance is still necessary. So, how can the safe use of electrical work equipment at home be encouraged? Employers should have procedures in place that provide the necessary guidance and framework. Employees need to be confident in carrying out user checks. Office equipment, such as desktop monitors, laptops and mobile phones, need little more than a good visual inspection when checking for physical damage. Do you have the right guidance and procedures to maintain your electrical equipment?